Good morning, my name is Yatik Mittal and this is CMPT376. Today I'll be talking about basic loops, which is targeted for high school students with a little bit of knowledge about programming. Let's start by talking about Ben, who's a high school student and he got a homework from his teacher to write a sentence 1000 times. So this is how it would look like if he was to write every sentence one by one. He would use a print statement, and then by executing he would get the result, and then again he would use a print statement and executing get the result. But as we can see, this is not a good idea, and Ben realized that. He used something way smarter than that. He just used 2 lines of code to do the entire work, and this is what he did. And after he ran these 2 lines, he got the result showing all the 1000 lines that he was supposed to do. So basically what Ben did was he used the concept of loops to generate all the words, all the lines, by executing the same line 1000 times. Let's take a closer look at it by using turtle graphics in Python. Let's start by importing the turtle library and by giving it the pen, and as we can see here we have a crosshair on the graphic window. We can change it to anything. Let's change it to a turtle so we can better visualize it. So this statement would make it appear like a turtle, as we can see here. And now let's make it move forward. Let's see what happens. So we can give this command here, bend.forward. That'll make the turtle move forward. And as you can see, the turtle has moved forward, and it used the pen that we gave it earlier to make a line. And now let's make it turn right and make it kind of a shape. So we can use the right function here, which will make the turtle turn right 90 degrees. And we can kind of use the same statements again to move the turtle around on the graphic canvas. Can make it turn right and it moves forward. We can make it turn right and we make it move forward, and here we can see we have a square that we made by just using a bunch of statements. But as we can see, we use same statement 4 times. We use forward and rotate right 4 times. So instead of writing the same statement again and again, we can use the concept of looping here again. This is how it would look like. So first we reset the canvas so we don't have anything there, and we declare a variable I and give it a range 4. So this is what would tell our loop that it has to run 4 times, as we saw earlier, to complete the figure. And inside the loop we can give the same statements that we used earlier, but only once, so we don't have to repeat them again and again. And as we can see here, we can use the same statements forward and right, and once we run these statements we would see the same result. And this is the benefit of using loops. We don't have to repeat the statements, and we can just write it once and it'll do the job. Thank you.